Hey, welcome back. I got another little upgrade. Nothing big. It's the Harley Davidson front LED signature turn signals. So without further ado, here they go. So right there's
yes, I realize this is a crappy view shot.
That's them.
So here after this, I'm going to insert a way better view.
And
so yeah, give me a second.
Let's catch it left. And let's get it up close. Check that out. I'm digging this. What do you guys think? All right, let me turn it off, get it up close. Make this short and sweet. Check that out. Up close and personal. All right. All right, I noticed when I was editing this that it didn't catch very well the light. So there it goes up close. And let's turn on the signal. Let's see if we can get that very well. It looks pretty sweet. Now it's lighting up from the middle, not from the outside. So let's turn that off. And there we go. So that's it right there. Okay.
Hey, appreciate you guys watching. Consider subscribing. I never asked that, but it's whatever. Take care.